Drowning in long documents? Let ChatGPT turn 10 pages into 3 bullet points with one simple prompt. You can copy the exact prompt from the description. This one's for students, busy professionals, and anyone who wants faster insights. Here's the prompt. Summarize this text in 3 bullet points. Focus on the key takeaways for someone who needs to act on it. Be clear and concise. Then paste in your content, email, report, article, anything. It's fast, accurate, and gets better the more specific your ask. Want a one-sentence summary instead? Just change the prompt. Summarize this in 1 sentence for an executive briefing. It's like having a personal analyst in your browser. Use this before every meeting while researching, or even to skim emails. Tomorrow I'll show you how to make ChatGPT format these into slides. Hit that subscribe button and keep your productivity on autopilot.